boosting our economy and providing food to millions. Before we start, ladies and gentlemen, let me take a few minutes to introduce our and electronic media. Welcome each one of you to this inaugural program of 24th National Fish Farmers Day. Welcome everyone. At the outset,
Yes, sir. So we have. Hello.
Limited products are used. Prawn का limited products.
Today we are celebrating 24th National Fish Farmer Day. Yeah. Yes. And in this one, we have invited the farmers, progressive farmers from all the northeastern states. We are also having a workshop and exhibition. We expect to have a very good interface with the farmers. We want to understand what are their constraints. So our interest is primarily that focus on farmers, and we are represented also by our director extension education also is joining us, and our honorable vice chancellor also has expressed his best wishes to all the fish farmers of the northeast and in Tripura in particular. We are showing here, as you can see, the different technologies. Particularly, we have focused on those technologies which are more farmer friendly, which farmer can adopt very easily, and we are working on to do it even better, so that they can reduce the feed cost, they can get a good quality of seed, and they can get a better production and productivity from their ponds of good quality, because the fish quality also is becoming very important, and we are trying to work on that flesh quality improvement as well through natural food incorporation. We also are working on ornamental fishes, and at the same time a lot of allied, as you can see, because aquaculture has to be in integration with different agricultural components. So in that series we have invited KVK, our ICR research complex is our partner, and we are heavily supported by NABARD, and we are also having academicians, former dean with us. So we are trying all together to work as we can, many people we can get. We have also invited, particularly this time, two entrepreneurs from Assam whose turnovers are multi-crores. One of them are more than 20 crores turnover annual. Another one is 6 to 7 crores annual turnover. And they are very young. They are here. Their organizational names is Kalam Kapili, and he is Fishwale. So we want to make them interact with our students, the farmers who can become who can dream bigger. And we want to, because they complement us. We are doing research, but they are the people we will need. So we need farmers, we need the bridge, we need the researchers, and we need a very good policy. So these all together, we hope to make a good impact. on the whole northeast region, and northeast region is the center for, among inland all states, is the center for fish culture development, because majority of people are vegetarian, they love fish and they love variety of fish, and they understand what the quality means. So this is the best.
Central Agricultural University in Fall. I, on behalf of the college, extend a hearty welcome to you, sir, and request you to occupy the distinguished chair on the dais. A warm welcoming each one of them in this celebration is truly a pleasure. Your presence makes this celebration truly meaningful and special. I welcome the special guest, Dr. Burhan Chaudhary, Principal Scientist and Head, ICA Regional Center, Tripura. Welcome.
अपना